Copart makes it easy to search for the vehicles you want, whether they be salvage or wholesale cars. We have more than 125,000 vehicles available to bid on every day, which means Copart has something for everyone. It's easy to find vehicles with Copart's search function. Simply type what you're looking for into the search bar, conveniently located at the top of every page. Then, our smart text search engine will bring up your results in seconds. And if you're using the Copart mobile app, you can find what you need using our voice search functionality. Simply tap the microphone icon by the search bar in the top of the app and speak your search terms. The app will do the rest for you. Once you click Search, you'll be directed to an inventory list where you can further customize your results using the filter options. You can narrow your results by make, model, and year, or even search by specific damage type or even location. Try out the search function for yourself to find your next vehicle.